Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jamnik and today I'm going to show you how you can generate automatic table of contents by use of Microsoft Word. But before we proceed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also hit the notification icon for more updates for the videos that I am going to upload in the future. When you get to Microsoft Word, you'll get to Home tab and then identify the headings over here. There is the heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4. We are going to use the first heading here or over here as the dedication. So highlight it and then get to heading 1 and then modify. So maybe you want to modify the font, you want to make it bold, you can make it centered over here. You can also modify the line spacing and also the color. And then you can come and click here to automatically update your content. So for our case here, I think we've modified the heading 1 and then you can click OK. So that is the heading 1. Then you can click here. So when you get down over here, the acknowledgement can also be your heading 1. You just click it over there. So in one, the other one is the abstract, can also be heading 1. The chapter 1, it's heading 1. Chapter 1 and introduction, that is heading 1. So, but when we get to the other heading, so this one is going to be heading 2. So you just highlight it as heading. You highlight the next section and then come and modify heading 2. You can get to heading 2 and then modify. You modify it over there. Font, the size, the color can be black, and then you can set it to automatically update. So and then click yes. So this is we have already modified the heading 1, heading 2. So we just click there. That is our heading 2. The point 2, 1.1 or point 1, this is going to be heading 3. So just highlight it. After highlighting, you get to heading 3 and then modify heading 3. You can put it on the left side and then place it as bold and in italics. It can be bold and in italics. And then the spacing, can set it to the font color to be black and then click automatic update and then come and click there heading 3. So we have already modified heading 1, heading 2 and heading 3. The other one is heading 3. This is heading 2 because it is under heading 1. And we are done with the first chapter. This chapter 2 is going to be under heading 1. This is the literature review. This is heading 2. This is heading 2. Pardon. This is going to be under heading 2. And the other one is going to be under heading 3. Proceed to the next one. It is under heading 2. So this is heading 3. You just highlight and then click the heading that you want it to be in your table of content. This is heading 3. The other one, let's see, this one is going to be heading 2. 2.3 is heading 2. 2.3.1 is heading 3. 2.2.2, 2.3.2 is heading 3. The other one is 2.3.3 is heading 3. This is going to be under heading 3. 2.3.4, this is heading 3. This one is going to be heading 3, heading 2, 2.4.1 is under heading 2, so this is heading 3. This one too is heading 3. This one is also under heading 3, 2.4.3, 2.4.4, heading 3.5. 2.5 is under heading 2. 2.6 is under heading 2. 2.7 research gaps, heading 2. And now we are done with the second chapter. Let's go to chapter 3, the methodology, the research methodology. This is, we had already modified the heading 1, so this is under heading 1. The other one is under heading 2, 1.1, that is the introduction to research methodology. The other one is 3.2, this is heading 2. 3.3, it still lies under heading 2. The other one is heading 2, 3.4, heading 2. 3.5 will also be under heading 2. 3.6, heading 2. 3.7 will be under heading 2. 3.7.1, this is going to be under heading 3. Then we are done with the fourth chapter. Let's go to chapter 5. This is going to be under heading 1, heading 2. This is heading 3. This is heading 2. 5.5, 5.2.1, this is heading 3, 2. And we are done with that chapter. Then get to our references. And the references, this is supposed to be heading 1. And then the appendices. Let's go to appendices. Appendices, this is heading 1. With that, you will be good to go. You've already highlighted all the parts for your table of contents, and it's up to you now to get to the top and then insert the table of contents instead of taking your time to type. So this was heading 1. So in our case, the table of contents is supposed to be just before the introduction. So we can place the table of contents just before the introduction, but just because we have the list of tables and the list of figures, we can place it after the dedication, acknowledgement, so we can place it over here. So on this point, you just need, because you've highlighted everything, all the heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3 in all the chapters, you just need to come and get to the references tab and then select the table of contents, and you can pick the table of contents that will please you. You can pick this one, or the other one. So in our case, let us pick the second one, the second structure, and click it that way. So you see your table of contents has already been generated and it's here with you. But there is another thing that you've not done. We have not inserted the page numbers. So for you to insert the page numbers for your project, you need to come to insert. You can insert page numbers. For our case, for research, you can start with the Roman numbers and then the numerical numbers. So you can click on insert page number and then format page number. For our case, let's start with the Roman numbers and start from 1, from Roman 1. So that is it. Then we can get here and We want to place our insert page number. We want it to be at the bottom, at the center, plain number. So that's how it's supposed to be. So you can see the page numbers are over here. Then you can click different first page so that the cover page does not display the page number. As you can see, there is no page number over here. And the other one is Roman 2, Roman 3, Roman 4, 5, up to where the introduction is. So we want the introduction, the Roman numbers are up to the end. So we want to insert numbers to start the numerical numbers to start from the introduction. So you just come and format, you'll get to the layout, and then you just come and click here and click on layout and then breaks, and then click on next page. When you click on next page, you'll see your structure will change, and then your numbers, the other parts will not be having the page numbers. So from here, you can come now and insert the page numbers over here, and then insert page numbers. You can format your one and then start from one that way. And with that, you can then click on where you want to place them, or at the bottom, plain numbers. And after that, whenever you want to change anything, you can come to the table of contents and then update. Here is the table of contents. You just need to update the table of contents for the numbers to display. So that's how you generate the table of contents. And with that, it is going to be easy for you to locate some of your sections and to identify anything that you want in your work in case it is a huge one. So thank you for watching, and thank you for taking your time to the end, and be blessed. Thank you.